Hello aviation enthusiasts, welcome back to Hello Experts. Today we have got an interesting topic to discuss, something that's crucial for every aircraft's smooth operation. That's right, we are diving into the world of airplane tires, and more specifically, what happens when things don't go as planned, airplane tire punctures. Before delving into the details of tire punctures, let's take a moment to discuss the remarkable machines we refer to as airplanes. Whether it's a colossal jumbo jet or a streamlined passenger plane, they have a common and indispensable component: their tires. Aircraft tires are far from ordinary. They are meticulously crafted to withstand the rigorous conditions of takeoffs, landing, and all the challenges in flight. Their pivotal role is essential in guaranteeing a secure and seamless aviation experience. An aircraft tire is engineered to endure exceptionally heavy loads for brief periods. The quantity of tires necessary for an aircraft rises with its weight, ensuring a more even distribution of the plane's overall weight. The tread patterns on aircraft tires are crafted to promote stability in conditions of high crosswinds, divert water efficiency to prevent hydroplaning, and enhance braking performance. Fusible plugs are also integrated into the aircraft tires, situated on the inner side of the wheels. These plugs are designed to melt at specific temperatures. Overheating can occur if maximum braking is applied during scenarios like an aborted takeoff or an emergency landing. The fuses offers a safer failure mode by deflating in a controlled manner, preventing tire explosions and minimizing potential damage to the aircraft and the surrounding objects. Manufacturing airplane tires is a complex process involving high-tech machinery and precision engineering. The result is a tire that can handle immense weight, high speeds, and challenging weather conditions. Believe it or not, airplane tire punctures can occur, and they are usually caused by foreign objects, debris on the runway. This can be anything from a loose bolt to a small piece of equipment accidentally left behind. While airplane tires are built tough, they are not invincible. A sharp object on the runway, if not detected, can lead to a puncture. Regular inspections and maintenance are critical to catching potential issues before they become a problem. Airplane tires undergo a specialized manufacturing process to withstand the demanding conditions of the takeoff and landing. The key insights into the creation of airplane tire include material and manufacturing. Airplane tires, crafted from rubber like their car counterparts, undergo a meticulous manufacturing process involving intricate machines and techniques. The manufacturing process is stringent, subjecting the tires to various testing procedures under extreme conditions to ensure the safety of the aircraft. Crafted by hand, airplane tires can incur cost of up to $6,000 each. Among the crucial components of an aircraft, the tire and the wheel play vital roles. A typical aircraft tire can bear a load of 38 tons and endure 500 landings at speed of 170 miles per hour before requiring servicing. Constructed from a blend of rubber, nylon, cord, and steel, airplane tires undergo vulcanization during the manufacturing process. The key to durability lies in maximizing air pressure, often inflated to 200 psi, 6 times the pressure of a standard car tire. Fighter aircraft like the F-16 may have tires inflated to 320 psi. The strength of the tire resides in the cords beneath the tread, typically made of nylon or a variant known as aramid. Additional reinforcement with robust and flexible materials such as Kevlar enhances the strength while being heat-resistant and lightweight. Airplane tires are filled with nitrogen, a non-flammable gas that avoids corrosion of the metal parts and oxidation. To neutralize electricity buildup during takeoff, airplane tires are made of conductive rubber, preventing damage to the electronic components caused by friction with the runway. The cost of an aircraft tire can range from $15 to $6,000. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.